Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to bid effectively on Upwork. Now, bidding effectively on Upwork requires a strategic approach to stand out from the competition and secure clients. So first thing that you need to do is select the right jobs. Now focus on the jobs that's aligned with your skills and experience, and also bid on projects that meet your income or expectations and availability. And you must also ensure that the client has a good track record before bidding. Now, if you will need to submit a proposal, you must address the client by name and mention specifics about the job description to show you've read it thoroughly. And you need to also mention past projects that is similar to the one you are bidding on, and include links to your portfolio if you have or if it's applicable, and then explain why you're the best candidate for showcasing how your skills will solve the client's problem. And just be clear and to the point, and clients will um hopefully appreciate that. And also, if you're going to bid, avoid underpricing, but also be mindful of your competition. You must justify a higher rate by emphasizing the quality you bring, and also explain how your expertise will save the client time or provide long-term benefits for them. Now, here is the sample cover letter when you apply for a job. Now, first you must say or address the clients, and then proceed to your insight about the job. And then after that, you can now put the link of your portfolio below, and then that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you learned something. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.